In this class we will learn how to create polygons and texts in Inventor, useful resources for creating models in the program. We started by creating a new part file with the measurements in them, and in the XY plane we started a new sketch. The command Polygon, which allows you to easily create various geometries with multiple sides, is activated in the Create panel by clicking on the arrow of the rectangle command. In the open box, we must choose the shape of construction, which can be inscribed, which uses the vertex between two edges to determine the size and orientation of the polygon, or circumscribed, which uses the midpoint of an edge segment to determine the size and orientation of the polygon. We keep the subscribed option active and we must inform the number of sides of the geometry to be created, in this case 8. Now just click on the desktop once to indicate the center and a second time to indicate the radius of the polygon, C. We can add geometric relationships and scale with the command dimension, node. Next, let's look at how to create texts in Inventor. First, in the Create panel we click on Text. Then we click on the place where we want to place the text in the graphic area and type it in the open box. By selecting the type text we can change the font, alignment, among other options. Clicking OK, the text is inserted and the command remains active, then we type Escape. The position of the text can be scaled with the command dimension, node. To edit the text, simply double-click on it, or right-click it and select the option Edit Text. We can hide or show the dotted box around the text by clicking on the text box option. With stretch we can define how stretched the text should be. See the difference as we increase and decrease its value. Enabling the single-line text option, the text is positioned on only one line. Note how it works, and note the difference when disabling this option. Explore the other options and improve your text creation in Inventor. Proceeding, we will draw an arc to know another way of inserting texts. Once done, we click on the arrow of the text command and click on the geometry text option. Now we click on the geometry on the desktop and the box opens, where we type the text and confirm. See that the text is positioned according to the selected geometric shape. We edit the text and note that we have other editing options, such as direction, for example, where we define the direction of the text. With position, we define whether the text will be internal or external to the selected geometry. In Start Angle we can change at what angle the text starts. In Offset Distance we can leave a positive or negative distance between geometry and text. Here we finish this lesson. where we learn how to create polygons and create and edit texts with Inventor, important options for creating sketches.